Baking soda reacts with vinegar to produce carbon dioxide gas. We will demonstrate this with a simple activity. For this we need baking soda, balloon, plastic bottle and vinegar. We have filled this plastic bottle with some amount of vinegar in it. We have taken 1 spoon of baking soda and have put in this balloon using this funnel. Now we are going to fit this balloon on this bottle. And slowly let the baking soda go in this bottle. As you see, the balloon is expanding. This happens because baking soda reacts with vinegar to produce carbon dioxide gas, which gets filled in this balloon. If I remove this balloon and tie it, and throw it down, it falls down on the ground because it is denser, which means the carbon dioxide in this balloon is heavier than air.